Myself Anjanayya, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSE, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today we are going to discuss about set data structure in Python. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. So set will not contain any duplicate elements. It's an unordered collection of unique elements. The set can be created by using the flower braces. Or by using the set function. The properties of the set are, they are mutable. That means we can update the values of a set. We can delete the elements of a set. We can add the new elements to the set. The sets are iterable. That means we can apply the for loop or while loop on the set elements and can contain elements of different data types. The set elements are heterogeneous. So some of the key features are, they contain unique elements. That means they will not be having any duplicate values. They are unordered. That means as we insert the new elements, it is not specific that the elements are added at the end or at the beginning or at the middle. The elements are unordered. There is no order of elements in the set. As I said earlier, that sets here are mutable. That means we can add, remove or modify the elements of a set is called as mutable. The other properties are iteration. That means we can loop over the elements of a set by using for loop or by using the while loop. And checking the membership, we can check whether the given element is present in the set or not. If it is present, it will return true. If it is not present, it will return false. So membership of an element is checked by using the in keyword. And sets are used to perform all the mathematical operations. So mathematical operations such as union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, etc. So all the mathematical operations can be performed on the sets. So these are the features of the set. Now we shall see how to create a set. In Python, we can use flower braces or by using the set function. In this example, we are seeing that the variable fruits contains the set of elements. The first element is apple, second element is banana, and the third element is orange, which are enclosed inside the flower braces, separated by comma. So when I print the variable fruits, you are going to see this output. Now here, example 2. So set, we can create set by using the set function also. So here I had used the variable name as numbers. So here applying the set function on the set of element, on the list of elements. List of elements means the elements are enclosed inside the square brackets. So here you can observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 separated by comma enclosed inside the square brackets. Now I am applying the set function on the list of elements. So when I apply the set function on the list of elements, if I print the variable numbers, I am getting the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which are enclosed inside the flower braces. So numbers is of set type. Creating an empty set. By using the set function, we can create the empty set. So here the variable name I have taken as empty set. So when I display that, you will be getting set. Now this we shall see in the Python interpreter, how to create the set. Now say that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I display A, what A contains? A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the type of A? Type of A is a set, class set. So this is how we create the set by using the elements separated by comma written inside the flower braces. Now you can check now. A is equal to 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and again I am writing 6. Now when I display A, you can observe that 6 is present only one time. So set will not allow the duplicate elements. Now again we shall see A is equal to 1, apple, 22.66. If I display A, you are observing that apple is displayed, 22.66 is displayed, and 1 is displayed. Here you can observe that the order is not maintained. So what the elements I have inserted? Actually I have inserted 1, apple, 22.66. But the output we are seeing as apple as the first element. 22.66 as a second element and 1 as a third element. So the set elements are unordered. The set of elements are unordered. And here you can observe that the set is containing different data type elements. Apple is of string data type, 22.66 is float data type, and 1 is the integer data type. So Apple, the set contains the heterogeneous elements. So it can contain the elements of different data types. Now how to create an empty set? Say that B is equal to set. Just by using the function set, we can create the empty set. So when I display B, you are going to see the output as set. Now this is one way to create the set by using the floor base and by using the set function. Now if I take a list, like say that A is equal to list of range of 1, 10, 2. Now if I display A, this is the list of elements. Now I want to convert this list of elements into the set. Now say that B is equal to, I will apply the set function on the list. Where is the list? List is in A variable. So when I apply B is equal to set of A, here you can observe that B contains the set of elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if I check the type of B, here you can observe that it is class set. It is of type class set. So by using the set function, we can create any iterable into a set, or we can directly use the floor braces with the elements separated by comma inside the floor braces. We can create the set. So these are the two ways we can create the set. So just now we have seen that I have taken one list and I applied the set function. So when I display, we will get the set. So similarly, this string mistr is containing the apple. So if I apply the set function on apple, here you can see that it is not containing the duplicate element. So here the duplicate is P is appearing 2 times. When I display here the set, my set, you are going to see only one letter, one each time. So this we shall see in the interpreter. Say that A is equal to apple. A is of string data type. So now I want to convert this into a set by applying the set function. So set of A. So if I display B now, you can observe that P is appearing only one time. So L, A, E, P. Here also you can observe that the elements are unordered. So set contains the unordered elements. There is no specific order. So as we have earlier seen that it can contain heterogeneous set of elements. So here it is containing 1 as integer, apple as the string data type, 3.14 as float data type, true as boolean data type, and 1, 2, 3 inside the parenthesis as tuple data type. So set elements are heterogeneous. Now here we can see that my set is containing 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So here 2 appears 2 times and 3 appears 2 times. So when I display my set, here you can observe that the duplicate elements are removed. So set will not contain the duplicate values. It will contain only the unique values. Now we shall see the set operations. The operations performed on the set are, the first operation is add. Adding the set, adding an element to a set by using the add method. The add method is used to add an element to a set. It modifies the set in place by adding the specified element. By adding the specified element to the existing set in place. There is no effect if the element is already present. So as we know that the set will not allow the duplicate values. So the new element, if we want to add, if it is already present in the set, it will be not added. The new element, if it is not existing in the list in the set, then that new element is added to the set. So here you can observe that as an example, my set is containing the elements 1, 2, 3. So I am going to add the new element 4. Since 4 is not part of the set, then this 4 element is added into the set. Now if I display my set, you can observe that the element 4 is added to the existing set. This we shall see in the interpreter. Say that A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now A dot add of 4. So I am adding 4. Now you can observe that when I display A, that element 4 is added to the existing set. What does the existing set contain? The existing set is containing 1, 2, 3. Now I have added 4 elements. Now if I want to add an element, say that a dot add of 44.66. So now if I display A, now you can observe that 44.66 is not present earlier, so that element is added to the set. Now if I want to add the existing element, say that 3 is already present, now I want to add one more time by using the add method. Now whether we shall see whether 3 appears 2 times. No, 3 is not appearing 2 times because set contains only the unique values. It will not allow any duplicate element. So if you are going to add the element which is already existing, the new element is not going to be added to the set. So this is about the add method. The second method is clear method. The second operation is clear. So clear method is used to remove all the elements from the set, making it empty. So if you want to remove all the elements of the existing set, then we can apply the clear method. Clear. So in this example, my set is containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 enclosed inside the flower braces. I am applying the clear method. When I display my set, you are going to see only the empty set. Empty set. Now, say that A equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the set. So I want to clear the elements of the set. So if I apply clear, A dot clear, now if I display A, you can observe that it is displaying the empty set. All the elements are deleted from the existing set A. So this is how we apply the clear method to remove all the elements from the set. The next set operation is copy method. Copy. The copy method is used to create a new set object. New set object with the same elements as the original set. With the same elements as the original set. So we create a new copy. We create a new copy. So modifying the original set or the copied set will not affect each other. So since they are having stored at the different memory locations, so modifying the new set object or the original set object does not modify the other set. So here in this example, you can observe that my set is containing 1, 2, 3. I want to make a copy here, my copy set, by applying the copy method. My set dot copy. So when I add 4 to the my set add, that is the original set. So when I display my set, so my set here you can observe that 4 is added to the original set. If I display the new set, new copied set, you observe that there is no new element. Now I am adding the element 5 to the new set object. Now you can observe that 5 is added to the new set object. When I display the original set here, you can't see the element 5 because modifying one element will not change the other set. So now we shall see this one in the Python interpreter. Now say that A is containing apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. So these are the elements which are present in the set. So I want to make a different copy. Say that B is equal to A dot copy. A dot copy. If I display B, you can observe that all the elements of the original set A are copied into the set B. Now I want to add an element A dot add. I want to add grapes. I want to add grapes to the original set A. Now if I display A, you can observe that grapes is a part of the set now. Now if I display B, grapes is not added to the set B. Why? Because B is the new object which is created by using the copy method. Changing one set will not change the other set. Now if I want to add an element B dot add, I want to add Jack to B. So when I display B, you can observe that Jack is part of a B. When I display A, Jack is not part of A because adding the element to the set B will not add the element to the set A. Both are different memory locations. So this is how we can create a copy of the new set by using the copy method. So difference method. Difference method is used to find the difference between the two sets. Difference between the two sets. So different method returns a new set object that contains the element present in the original set but not the but not in the set passed as an arguments. So here we can observe the syntax that set 1 is the original set and set 2 is the argument. Set 2 is the argument. So here is the example. Set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set 2 is containing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Set 2 is containing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when I apply the difference, set 1 dot difference of set 2. Now which are the common elements in set 1 and set 2? The common elements are 4 and 5. So if I apply the difference method, the set 1, the diff is the new object which is returned by using the difference method. So the difference will contain the unique elements of set 1. Set 1 is the original set or the calling set. So when I display the difference, you can observe that it is 1, 2, 3. It will not contain the duplicate values. Duplicate values are 4, 5 which are removed from the set 1. And a new set is returned. Difference is equal to set 1 dot difference of set 2. So the common elements which are present in set 1 and set 2 or set 1 and the argument, the common elements are removed from the original set. Original set is here is the calling set. This we shall see in the interpreter. Say that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 1, 4, 6, 7. 1, 4, 6, 7. Now what A is containing? A is containing these elements. B is containing 1, 4, 6, 7. Now which are the common elements? The common elements are 1 and 4 from A and B. Now apply the C is equal to A dot difference. A dot difference of B. So A is the original set here. Original set means calling set. B is the argument set. So I am passing B as an argument for the difference method. So which are the common elements? The common elements are 1 or 4. If you remove the common elements from the set A, then the remaining elements are 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5 is a part of the new set C now. Let's see now. If I display C, you can observe that 2, 3, 5 are the elements of the C set. Are the elements of the C set. One more example. Say that A is equal to apple, comma, banana, comma, orange, comma, grapes. So this is set A. A is containing this many fruits. B is equal to apple, comma, kiwi fruit. One second. Apple, comma, kiwi. So B contains these fruits. A contains these fruits. Now which is common between A and B? Apple is common. So if A is the original set, then if I apply A dot, if you pass B as the argument for the difference method, then apple is removed from A set and the remaining elements will become the part of the new set. Banana, orange and grapes. We shall see that A dot difference of B. A dot difference of B. Now what C will contain? C will contain all the elements of A, eliminating the common elements from B. That means spell mistake. C is equal to difference. Now if I apply C now you can observe that apple is deleted from the set. Apple, the common element is removed. A is the calling set and B is the argument set. Now once again, A contains banana, orange, apple and grapes. B contains apple and kiwi. Now what if I apply like this? B dot. B dot. B is the calling set now. B dot difference. B dot difference of A. Now what is common between A and B? Apple is common. So if you remove apple from the B, now what is remaining? Kiwi. Kiwi. That kiwi will become the part of the new set. Now we shall observe that I will display C. Now C is containing only one element, kiwi, because we have removed the element apple is common. So after removing that apple is common, a new set is returned C by the difference method. So C contains only the kiwi fruit. Difference update method. So as we have seen that difference method will return the new object, but here the difference update method will remove the elements from the calling set. So difference update method is used to remove the elements from the set that also present in another set. It modifies the original set in place. So here there is no creation of the new object. So here the changes, the modification is done only to the original set or the calling set. There is no creation of the new set. So here the syntax is set1 dot difference underscore update set2. Set2 is the parameter and set1 is the calling set. This is the argument. Set2 is the argument set. Set1 is the original set. So here set1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set2 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 5 is common element. Common element. If I apply set difference underscore update method, the set1, the common elements will be deleted. If I display set1, now you can observe that the common elements are deleted from the set1. The set1 will contain 1, 2, 3. The set1 will contain 1, 2, 3 elements. The difference underscore update will not return the new object. The changes are done in place. That means set1 elements, common elements are removed from the set2. Now we shall see this difference update with an example. Say that A is containing these elements, B is containing these elements. A and B. A is containing apple, B is also containing apple. Now we will apply the difference update method. C is equal to A dot difference underscore update of B. Difference underscore update of B. Now A is containing apple, B is containing apple. Now here it will not return the new object. It will not return the new object. So it is wrong to write C is equal to. We have to write A dot difference underscore update B. Now the changes is made in the calling set. Which is the calling set now? The calling set is A. So earlier A is containing 4 elements. Now if I remove apple, then A will be containing only 3 elements. Now if I display A, you can observe that apple is removed from the A set. Now A is containing the updated set elements are banana, orange and grapes. Now again, one more example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 44. B is equal to 2, 6. Now if I apply that A dot difference underscore update of B. Now which is the element which is common? The common is 2. If I remove 2 from the original set A, then A set will contain 1, 3 and 44. So difference update will update the original set. It will not create the new set. The next method is discard method. Discard method means whichever the element we want to remove, the specified element is removed from the set. If the element is present in the set, it will be removed. If the element is not found, then the set will remain unchanged. So the syntax is the set name, the existing set dot discard, and we want to pass the elements which we want to discard from the original set. So here my set is containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to discard 3 from the my set dot discard, then the output will be without 3. Then the output will be without 3. Now if I want to discard 6, is the element is present in the set? The element 6 is present in the set? No. So when I display this one, so the output will be only 1, 2, 4, 5 because 6 is not part of the my set. So if it is, the element is not part of the my set, there will be no changes. If it is, the element is part of the set, then that element will be removed from the set by using the discard method. Now we shall see this one in the interpreter. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the set A. A is containing 5 elements. Now I want to discard A dot discard of 1. I want to remove the element 1 now. From which set? From the set A. So now if I display A, you can observe that 1 is not present in the set. Now again A dot discard. Now I want to remove 5 now. The element 5. So 5 is removed from set A. Now you can observe that the set A is containing only the elements 2, 3 and 4. Now once again A dot discard. A dot discard of 10. Is the element 10 is present in the set A? No. That means the set A will not get any changes. So if I display A is still containing 3 elements because 10 is not part of the set A. nothing happens. Intersection method. Intersection method will return a new set. That contains the common elements between the two or more sets. It takes one or more sets as arguments and returns a new set with only the elements that are present in all the sets. The syntax is set 1 is the calling set, set 2, set 3 are the argument set. The method name is intersection method. Now here is an example. Set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 2 is containing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now intersection method will return a new set. So I am taking the variable name as intersection underscore set. Set 1 dot intersection. Now which are the common elements here? Common elements are 4 and 5. So when I display this variable name set underscore intersection underscore set, then you can see that the elements which are common in the calling set and the arguments are returned to the new set. The new set here I am taking as intersection set. So the output will be 4 and 5. This we shall see in the interpreter now. Say that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 1, 2, 6, 60, 70. So A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. B elements are 1, 2, 60 and 70. Now which are the common elements? The common elements are 1 and 2. So if I create now A dot C is equal to A dot intersection of B. Now which are the common elements? The common elements are 1 and 2. So C will contain the elements 1 and 2. The type of the C is the set. So now intersection has returned a new set. So that's why I have taken as C is equal to A dot intersection of B. So intersection method will return the new set. The new set will contain the common elements from the set A and set B. Now one more example. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the elements of B? 1, 2, 60 and 70. Now I want to create a new set. The new set is containing 1, 4, 1, 44, 55. Now what are the elements of the new set? The new set is containing 1, 44 and 55. Now I want to apply the intersection method. Now A dot intersection B comma C. Now here I want to pass the two arguments as the sets for the intersection method. Now in this A set we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. B set 1, 2, 60 and 70. In the C set 1, 2, 41, 44 and 55. Among the three sets which is common, the common element is 1. So now the new set returned is D, which will contain the element 1 because 1 is common among the three sets. So here we can pass more than one argument to the intersection method. So this is the example that is we have just now seen. So set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, set 2 is containing 2, 3, 4, set 3 is containing 3, 4, 5. So here the common element is 3 among the three sets. So the output will be the 3. Intersection update. So intersection will return the new set. Intersection update will update the calling set in place. Intersection update method is used to update a set with the intersection of itself and one or more sets. It modifies the set in place and removes all the elements that are not present in all the sets. So since syntax is this is the calling set or the original set and these are the arguments which are passed to the intersection underscore update method. So here set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set 2 is containing 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which are the common elements now? Common elements are 4 and 5. Now since intersection underscore update will not return the new set, so the modification is done in the calling set. The calling set here is set 1. Set 1 dot intersection update of set 2. So which are the common elements now? The common elements are 4 and 5. So when I display the original set or the calling set, so calling set will contain only the common elements. The common elements here are 4 and 5. This we shall see in an example. So A contains 1, 2, 3, 4. B contains 1, 2, 60 and 70. Here the common elements are 1, 2. Now I will apply A dot intersection underscore update of B. Now which are the common elements? The common elements are 1 and 2. Now then after executing this statement, A set will contain only the common elements. The common elements are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. The unique elements are removed. What are the unique elements? Earlier it is present. 3 and 4 are removed. The updated set is only containing the common element. The common elements are 1 and 2. Where the effect has taken place? The effect has taken place in the calling set. A is the calling set here. B is the argument. Is disjoint method. Is disjoint. Is disjoint method to check whether the two sets have the common elements or not. It returns true if they are disjoint. That means there is no common elements among the two sets. Then the output is true. If there is any common element, then the output is false. So the syntax is set 1 is the calling set. Set 2 is the argument. So if I apply set 1 dot is disjoint of set 2. Here is an example. Set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3. Set 2 is containing 4, 5, 6. Now I am applying is disjoint. Set 1 dot is disjoint of set 2. Now are they containing any common elements? There is no common elements. So the output return is true. Now set 3 is containing 3, 4, 5. Now here I am applying the disjoint on set 1 and set 3. Set 1 and set 3 is containing the common element 3. So if it is containing a common element, then the output returned by the is disjoint method is false. This we shall see here. Interpreter. Say that A is containing 1, 2. What B is containing? B is containing 1, 2, 60 and 70. Now if I apply A dot is disjoint, say that A dot is disjoint. Is disjoint of B. A dot is disjoint of B. So are they disjoint? Are they containing unique elements? No. They are containing the common elements 1 and 2. So what is the output return? The output return is false. Output return is false. Now one more example. Say that A is containing apple, comma, banana. A is containing apple and banana. B is containing BVRIT, comma, college. B is containing BVRIT, college. Now if I apply C is equal to A dot is disjoint of B. A dot is disjoint of B. Now, are they containing any common elements? A is containing apple, banana and B is containing BVRIT, college. There is no common element. So, the returned output value is true. So, C contains true value. So, is disjoint method will return true if there is no common element between the sets. It returns false if there is any common element between the two sets. Is subset. Is subset method is used to check whether a set is a subset of another set. It returns true if all the elements of the calling set are present in the specified set. Otherwise, false. Set 1 is the calling set, set 2 is the argument. So, here I am applying the method is subset. We shall see with the example. The example is 1, 2, 3. Set 2 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here I am applying is subset. Is subset. Set 1 is the calling set. Set 2 is the argument set. Is all the elements of set 1 are part of set 2? Yes. If it is part of set 2, then the output returned by the is subset method is true. Now I will take set 3 as 4, 5, 6. Now applying on set 1 and set 3. Set 1 and set 3. Now 1, 2, 3 are the elements of the set 1. Are 1, 2, 3 elements of set 4 or set 3 also? No, they are not part of set 3. Set 3 is containing 4, 5, 6. So, since the elements of set 1 are not part of set 3, the output return is false. This we shall see with an example. Now, A is containing banana and apple, B is containing BVRIT, college. BVRIT, college. Now, C is equal to A dot is subset of B. A dot is subset of B. Are they containing any common elements? That means all the elements of A, set A are present in B. No, the elements are not present. If the elements are not present, then is subset method will return false. Is subset method will return false. Now I will apply b dot add. B dot add apple. B dot add banana. So I added two elements. Now what B is containing? B is containing B variety, apple, college and banana. What A is containing? A is containing banana and apple. Now if I apply is disjoint method, C is equal to A dot is subset. Is subset of B. Now A is containing banana and apple, B is containing B variety, apple, college and banana. Are all the elements of A are present in the set B? Yes. Banana and apple are part of set B also. So if that is the case, is subset will return true. If I display C, you can observe that the value is true. So A is a subset of B. Is superset. Is superset method is used to check whether the set is a superset of another set. It returns true if all the elements of the specified set is nothing but the argument, are present in the calling set. Calling set is nothing but the set which we used to call the function. Which function? Is superset function. Otherwise false. The syntax is set 1 is the calling set 2 is the argument set. Here I am applying the method is superset. Now set 1 is containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set 2 is containing 1, 2, 3. Now here applying is superset. Set 1 is the calling set 2 is the argument set. Are all the elements of set 2 are present in set 1? Yes. If it is present, the return value is true. Now I am taking one more set 3. Now apply on set 1 and set 3. Now all the elements of set 3 are part of the set 1? No, because 6 is not part of set 1. So that in that case, the output return is false. So in this first example, set 1 is the superset. In this second example, set 1 is not the superset of set 3. Now this we shall see in the interpreter. A contains banana, B contains B variety, college, Indian. So which is the superset here? B is the superset. Let's see now. C is equal to B dot is superset of A. B is the superset because B contains all the elements of A. What are the elements of A? Banana and apple. Banana and apple are part of B also. So B dot is superset of A. It returns true. If I see here, C contains the value true. Then we say that B is the superset of A because B contains all the elements of set A. Now one more example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 3, 1. So what is A? What is B? A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 4, 5, 6. Now I will apply C is equal to A dot is superset. A dot is superset of B. Now are all the elements of B are present in A? No. Then the return value is false. So if I display C, you can observe that it is false. So today we shall stop here itself. So some more operations we shall see in the next class. Thank you all. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.